yun pwedeng i-implement dito without having to go through the legal and the judicial processes here. Kaya nga po last year ay nag-issue ng guidelines or rules of procedure ang ating kataas-taasang hukuman para sa pagpapatupad ng extradition ay dahil nga po doon sa experience na nangyari noong March kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, kung saan parang naging extraordinary rendition na binaypass ang ating judicial processes, ang ating legal system at basta dinala na lang. Ito pong ICC warrant I repeat, wala pong bisa sa Pilipinas yan. Tayo ay isang bansang may soberanya at may kasarinlan. And therefore, we cannot implement the warrants of a foreign jurisdiction. Kaya nga po meron tayong extradition law, yung PD 1069, na meron na ngang rules of procedure last year lamang. Upang kapag ganito po na may warrants ng not only by the ICC, but foreign warrants, ay dadaan po sa prosesong ito. Bakit? Sapagkat ang ICC warrant basically requests our country to give up either a citizen or a person found within Philippine jurisdiction to a foreign court. So that falls under the definition of extradition. Therefore, the extradition law will apply. Anong proseso po dyan? Unang-una, yung warrant dapat verified at dumaan sa ating DFA. Bakit DFA? Foreign Affairs. Foreign warrant yan. Pagkatapos pong ma-verify yan kung extraditable and it complies with all of the requisites for an extradition process, dadalhin po dapat ng DFA yan sa DOJ. Ang DOJ po through the Office of the Special Counsel will file extradition petition before the proper court. Regional trial court po usually yan sa Manila. Then lilitisin po yan kung karapat-dapat bigyan ng extradition or not yung foreign requesting state or requesting body. Bakit? Sapagkat nasa ilalim ng ating konstitusyon, no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Ito na yung due process. Due process means that you must hear before you decide. Lilitisin po yan ng RTC. Kung ang desisyon ng RTC is to allow extradition, it is nonetheless still appealable to the Court of Appeals. And while it is on appeal, the appeal acts as a supersedious or as a stay on the execution of the extradition. It is only after the Court of Appeals has reviewed the decision of the RTC finding that extradition should be allowed, that the extradition may proceed and the foreign warrant implemented through a warrant issued by our courts. Yun po ang procedure. Hindi pwedeng basta darating na lang ang NBI dito, tatakpin si Senador De La Rosa at makikipaghabulan pa, makikipag-wrestling pa, at nilapastangan pa ang dignidad at sangtidad ng Senado as an institution.